Hey besties, one of my character flaws is not pausing to celebrate the wins. So this is my attempt at doing this. And to thank all of you so much for sticking with me through all of my different eras, from being a teacher to skating, surfing, quitting my job, starting Concrete Queens. One of the main reasons that I'm able to do what I do with Concrete Queens is because I have all of you supporting me, supporting our mission, and just all of it. There have been so many cool people that I've met through Instagram that I've traveled all over the world to meet. I even met my husband on Instagram because I slid into his DMs. Pro tip. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for accepting all of my weirdness, my humor, my shadiness, and just all of it. I don't even know how I ended up here. I just started posting my life and being myself, and I think that's the biggest tip that I could offer is just be yourself. Like, this app is so weird, guys. Just be yourself. Thank you. I love you guys, and I'm gonna eat this. Okay, bye.